Hello, welcome to my channel Shine with Shwaggy. So this video is about how to style a black kurti in different ways. But before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram to get all the updates about the coming videos. You can also message me if you get any video suggestions. And now let's jump directly into the video. For the first outfit, I have paired a plain black jegging and simple flat. For the lips, I have applied this nude lip color by Lengha and the shade name is Kashi. This color looks really subtle and is appropriate for daily use. And I have applied a small black bindi also. And in jewelry, I have paired these silver earrings and they look so beautiful and elegant as well. And the whole look is ready. I have tried to keep it as basic as possible. You can wear this outfit to the college, office or wherever you want. It's gonna look really beautiful. And now let's move on to the second outfit. Here I have paired this pair of flowy cropped palazzo pants with the kurta. I am adding these gold and black earrings as the palazzo has golden detailing, a tiny pink bindi and these golden colored bellies. I think this look also looks pretty cute. The bellies, earrings and the bindi are complementing each other and they are making this outfit look even more beautiful. The palazzo is flowy and comfortable, which makes this look even more wearable. Done with the second one, and now let's move to the third look. Now for the third look, I have added a grey dupatta, a silver neck piece and matching earrings. This set has some mirror detailings. I have also added these bangles which have anklet bells and this pair of footwear that has some silver embellishment. Now seriously, I find this look really appropriate for any wedding occasion. You just have to add any other dupatta with complementing jewelry and footwear and your plain black kurta will now be ready for any wedding function. And now let's move forward to the fourth outfit. Okay, so for the fourth look, I have taken another basic thing in a wardrobe, that is a blue denim, paired with a basic open back footwear and the neck piece I used in the last look. Blue denim looks great with kurtas as well. I have taken a washed denim and it goes with the black kurta perfectly. And now let's move forward to the fourth outfit. Sorry, it is the fifth one. And here I have paired it with a straight striped formal pants. I have done a side parting and in jewelry I have taken these basic silver hoops and these are so pretty. For footwear, I am wearing these basic black heels. And here's the look. It is appropriate for office, college or any outing. This way, a black kurta can be transformed into a formal piece of clothing. You just have to add a watch and a handbag and you are good to go. Now for the sixth outfit, I changed my lip color and this shade is also from Lengha. and the shade color name is Rukmini. And then I paired this same jewelry set with the cream colored heels. This is a flowy printed skirt. It has a silver print all over. The jewelry and everything is complementing each other, and this outfit is appropriate for any Indian occasion. Now in this outfit I have taken this salwar and dupatta, and these both are from different sets. I paired golden hoops with pearl detailing and a pair of bellies with it. I think all these things all together are making a great outfit. It almost looks like a salwar suit set, as if all the items belong to each other. You can also try pairing two different items with your kurta, and trust me, it's gonna look amazing. For the next outfit, I have taken a pure silk dupatta, adding a choker set, and it has such small, beautiful, and cute earrings. Now, for footwear, I have taken basic nude color heels. For bottom, I went for a golden color palazzo. And to complete the look, I added this peacock detailed bracelet. I think such silk dupattas are alone enough to make your outfit wedding appropriate. You can also try using one, and now let's move to the next outfit. For the next outfit, I have tried to add some pop of color to the outfit. I have added a pink legging with this beautiful pink dupatta. I added this golden choker with these beautiful and golden earrings. And for footwear also, I went for a pink pair of heels. But later I decided to remove the choker, and it still looked good. Here I have paired the kurta with a lengha, and I kept the kurta tucked inside my lengha. I added all my silver jewelry, as I really love silver slash oxidized jewelry. I added this ring, a choker, earrings, and then I added the previous neck piece. I also added my silver bangles that has anklet bells all over, and these bangles are super duper cute. Lastly, I added a pair of heels to give myself some height, and this is how the whole outfit looks. You can wear this outfit to any wedding function. You can add lehenga of some other color as well. Just add accessories accordingly, and you are good to go. I personally loved this outfit as it has a lot of silver jewelry, and I am a silver jewelry lover. I love styling oxidized pieces, but if you are more into gold jewelry, then you can add gold jewelry to your outfit. Later, I took the kurta out, and it still looked amazing. It is per your choice if you want to tuck in your kurta, or if you want it to be out. It's still gonna look beautiful, either tucked in or out of your skirt. And that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I really hope that this video is gonna be helpful for you. And if if you really enjoyed watching it, then do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you have some interesting video ideas, then please do let me know in the comment box, or you can DM me on Instagram as well. And don't forget to follow me there for updates. We'll meet you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.